Navigating your finances in 2026 can feel like a quest, but with the right map, any millennial can build a prosperous future. Here are 10 essential rules to guide your journey. 1. Master your cash flow with a living budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. 2. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. 3. Tackle high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off credit cards and personal loans. 4. Start investing now, not later. Leverage the power of compounding, even with small amounts. 5. Diversify your investments across stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 6. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to make it effortless. 7. Plan for retirement early. Contribute consistently to your retirement accounts. 8. Regularly review your financial progress. Check your net worth every few months. 9. Use technology to your advantage. Budgeting apps and investment platforms can simplify everything. 10. Continuously educate yourself. Stay informed about financial trends to make smarter decisions. Start today and turn these rules into a foundation for long-term financial success.